Okay, we are at 555 Arlington. This is unit 407. So you walk in. To the right, you have the bathroom, but I'll get to that in a second. When you walk in, you also have a hallway here. So as we're walking down the hallway, you have a bunch of closets, and it actually goes all the way through to the end. So lots of closet space. Let me move over here. So you got 2 doors there and another 2 doors here. Over here we have the kitchen. You got dishwasher, sink, laundry, that's combo washer dryer, does both. Cabinets. On this side, fridge, stove, cabinets. Go into here and we have our living space. Here we're actually going to be facing north. You got a unit for heat and AC. So you can easily fit a bed, a desk, a living area, you know, couch, coffee table, TV. You go back in this corner. So I'll give you the measurements of this one. We are at lengthwise 16 feet long. I'm gonna take the width over here on this side because that's a little wider. This is 11 feet, 2 inches. And then width on this side is 11 feet, 11 inches. So if you wanted to say nook your bed on this side over here, I'll tell you the length of this wall as well. That's 6 feet, 11 inches. So a queen bed, for your reference, is 5 feet wide by 6 feet, 7 inches long. So you can always nook it over here or over there, however you'd like to do it. And then we'll go over here, front door. We have the bathroom. And you have room over here. You could put like a shelving unit or something like that. Toilet, towel rack, shower.